How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
In which class are you?
Middle class.
What's the name of your school?
The name of my school is Rising Star Primary School.
Okay. Count for us.
1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Okay. Now clap 15. 14, 15. Thank you. Would you like to eat that biscuit? Would you like to eat that biscuit? Where are you going to take it? Home. Whom are you going to give when you reach home?
My brother.
Your brother. Okay. What about your mom and your dad?
I'll take it.
You're going to give them, eh? Okay, you take the biscuits. Eh?
Thank you.
What did they say?
Thank you, Teacher Peter.
Okay, you're welcome. Bye bye. That's how we can teach our learners to count while motivating them.